Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express credit card account online from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your American Express account or your American Express credit card account from your computer online, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in americanexpress.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for American Express credit card login like this and enter, and you can see the login page of your American Express into your account. On the first result of Google, click over there and you can see this is the direct login page of American Express from the Google, whereas on the first tab we are still on the home page of the American Express itself. Now to log into your American Express credit card account from over here, which is the home page of American Express, on the top right corner of the screen you can see the login option available over here, or the login button available over here. Click on login and you can see both of these websites are same. Both are the login pages of American Express, so let's go down on these. Now, in order to log into your credit card account, you'll be required first to choose your card type over here. If your card is credit or your debit type, simply choose cards my account over here like this. Or if your card is membership, rewards, merchant account, or your American Express at the rate work, choose your card respectively. For us it will be the credit card, so we'll be choosing the cards my account. Now to log into your American Express credit card account, enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your American Express credit card account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, simply click on forgot user ID or password to go through a procedure to retrieve your user ID or password depending upon which one you lost it. Or if you have not yet created an account on American Express, simply click on create new online account to go through the registration process of American Express, and you'll be able to create an account or register an account on American Express from there. And there guys, this is how you log into your American Express credit card account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.